Hello students. In this video we can study about NOT operator. This is based on computer basics. So before going to know about NOT operator, we must know what is meant by Boolean algebra. Then only we can understand why we are using NOT operator in computer. We know that in digital computer we use digital circuits. So for designing digital circuit in computer we use Boolean algebra, and that is a mathematical discipline. It describes the relation between input and output of the digital circuit. And the name Boolean algebra was given in honor of English mathematician George Boole. He proposed the basic principle of this algebra. So the results of these digital circuits will be either true nor false. And 1 means true, 0 means false. These are known as truth values. And thus the variables which store these truth values are known as logical variable or Boolean variables or binary valued variables, and it can store only one of two values, that is either true nor false. So now we may understand why we are using Boolean algebra in computer science. So thus the Boolean algebra makes use of the logical variables and functions. So the basic logical operations are AND, NOR and NOT. So AND is represented by dot, OR by plus and NOT by over bar. So thus these symbols are known as logical operators. So once again, before going into NOT operator, we should understand why we are using Boolean algebra. That is, to design digital circuit in digital computer, we use this. And it can store either true nor false. That is, either value as 1 nor 0. So these are the logical operator. Now we can study about NOT operator. NOT operator has only one input and one output. If the input is true, the output is always the opposite. That is, it inverts the input. If it is true, the output will be false. If it is false, the output will be true. So in NOT operator, a simple thing to remember is it has only one input and one output, and the result is it always inverts the input. That is, the result will be opposite of the input. And thus the following is the truth table of NOT operator, where A is the input variable and Y is the output. And NOT operation is expressed as Y is equal to A bar. Now we can see the truth table. So consider the value 0, and thus the output will be always opposite because NOT operator inverts the output. So thus the value is 0 and thus the output will be 1, since it always inverts the input. So next, the input is 1. So we already know that the NOT operator always inverts the input. So if the input is 1, the output will be opposite, that is 0, that is false. So here the input is 1, that is true, and thus the opposite will be false, and thus the result is 0. So this is the truth table for NOT operator. So once again I repeat, in NOT operator it has only one input and one output, and the output will be always the opposite of the input. That is, it inverts the input. This is the basic logical in NOT operation. So in next video we can study about NAND gate. Hope you understood. Thank you.